But before we go into the topics, just want to let you know, we listen and we don't judge, all right? So in the past few months, I've been using a lot of AI editors, specifically Cursor, and everything feels great and it feels productive at first. So all I have to do is just type a few words, waiting for the auto suggestion, and then I just do tap, 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 tap. And then, or sometimes I just do tap, tap, tap right away. It auto suggests for me everything. And if I face a problem, I can just ask directly, just Control K, Control L. It's know all of the context of my code. And it can solve the problem right away in my editor. It feels great and it feels productive at first. And one day when I switched to a regular editor, at the time I just wanted to do a quick fix. I just open Vim's or maybe my regular old VS Code. I just type a few words and I pause. Like, I don't know, I pause by myself, and then it's like, why am I doing that? Because I'm waiting for the auto suggestion for me. And I was like, this is not Cursor. So I feel like I become too reliant on the AI to write code for me. And so for that reason, I was like, I feel I lost connection to my code. You know, it sounds weird, like, what do you mean by lost connection? You know, I really enjoy writing code. That's what I wanted to do. I really typing all the functions, everything. Even though it's a little bit slower, maybe it's have some bugs along the way, but I really enjoy the process of doing that. And right now, all I need to do is just tap, 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 and it doesn't give me satisfaction at all. And I have, you know, when the first time when you write code, you write something and it probably gives you bug, right? And then when you try to solve those bugs, and then it's give you the satisfaction and a proud moment that, yeah, I did it. But right now it's more like just tap, tap, ask AI completely, and it worked. And so for that reason, I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do that. If the more I do that, I become too reliant on the auto AI editor, and then also it's costly as well. Like, you know, I have to pay $20 a month to Cursor or any other like platform to write my code. And so for that reason, I stopped using it. But don't get me wrong, I'm still using AI to help me write a code as well, but not in the auto suggestion or autocomplete way. So what I do right now, like I do in the past, so I write my own code. If I face some problem, I can copy the problem asking Google or GPT, and then it will generate me the answer, and I can discuss with it in the GPT as well. But the thing is, like, the GPT do not know the context of my code, so it will try to solve that specific problem. And so when I copy the answer from the Google or GPT, I put back to my code, it's not guaranteed to work at the first try, and because, you know, the answer is out of context, right? So I have to tweak things around, change things a bit, and then to make it compatible with my code. This process, it's give me a lot of satisfaction that I did it, I solved this problem, I made this function, this is my code, I write this one. And so that gives me joy. And I don't want to spend all my day, all my life just to tap, 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 and then it worked. No, not for me. Maybe you can call me old school, but this is how I feel. Yeah, if you can relate, or maybe what do you think about this topic? Let me know in the comment as well. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.